Step into a fresh day at Topcast. The subject of our conversation today is tips for home automation. Whether you're new to smart home technology or looking to upgrade your setup, these tips will help you create a more efficient, comfortable, and secure home. Home automation is becoming increasingly popular as technology advances, offering numerous benefits such as convenience, energy efficiency, and enhanced security. All right, let's start rolling. Start with smart lighting. Smart lighting is an excellent entry point into home automation. With smart bulbs, you can control the brightness, color, and schedule of your lights using a smartphone app or voice commands. This can help you save energy and create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Invest in a smart thermostat. A smart thermostat allows you to control your home's heating and cooling remotely, optimizing comfort and energy efficiency. Many models learn your preferences over time and adjust the temperature accordingly. Some even integrate with weather forecasts to make adjustments based on external conditions. Upgrade your home security. Upgrade your home security with smart devices like locks, cameras, and motion sensors. Control access remotely, monitor your property in real time, and receive instant alerts about unusual activity. Integrate with voice assistants for easy control and set up automation routines for added convenience. Enhancing your security system with these smart technologies provides peace of mind and helps protect your home efficiently. Incorporate smart home hubs. A smart home hub serves as a central control unit for your smart devices, allowing you to manage them all from one app. This simplifies automation and scheduling, helping you create routines that improve your daily life, such as turning off lights and locking doors at bedtime. Consider voice-activated assistants. Voice-activated assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri allow you to control smart home devices using simple voice commands. This hands-free approach enhances convenience and accessibility, making it easier to manage lighting, thermostats, and security systems. Voice assistants can also answer questions, play music, and provide updates, adding an extra layer of efficiency to your home automation experience. Automate home appliances. Modern appliances such as smart ovens, refrigerators, and washing machines offer connectivity and remote control features. Automating these appliances can simplify daily tasks, allow for remote monitoring, and even provide maintenance alerts. Utilize smart blinds and curtains. Smart blinds and curtains can be scheduled to open and close automatically, maximizing natural light and privacy. They can be integrated with other smart home devices, such as lighting and thermostats, to create seamless routines that improve energy efficiency and comfort. With remote control options, you can adjust them from anywhere, making your home more convenient and adaptable to your lifestyle. Monitor and conserve energy. Smart plugs and power strips allow you to monitor and control your energy usage more effectively. You can remotely turn off devices that are not in use, helping you save energy and reduce your electricity bill. Create customizable routines. Take advantage of the flexibility of home automation to create customizable routines that fit your lifestyle. For example, set a morning routine that turns on the lights, adjusts the thermostat, and plays your favorite playlist as you wake up. Prioritize privacy and security. As you integrate more smart devices into your home, it's essential to prioritize privacy and security. Keep your software and firmware up to date. Use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication when available. Regularly review the data sharing policies of your smart devices and apps. That's a wrap on today's video. Hope these tips inspire you to enhance your home with automation technology. Whether you're looking for convenience, energy savings, or improved security, there's a smart solution for you. Appreciate you joining us today. Enjoy the rest of your day.